What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're talking about an exciting new feature that Google is bringing to Android that will eventually trickle its way down to Galaxy users, hopefully with One UI 7.0. And that is the ability to reduce scams and catfishing using the Android Key System Verifier. So this is something we covered over on Sammy Guru. I'm going to talk about what this does and how it works and how it might help you or someone you know in the future. It's a very interesting new piece being added to Android. Before we get started, do want to remind you guys, make sure you check out the website if you haven't. Bookmark it, check every day for new Samsung news. We got a full writing team over there covering exciting stuff like this. Also, if you're in the US, you can click the orange banner at the top, sign up for our mystery box program for the Galaxy S25 launch. You'll get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies when you do sign up. And we use all of the costs from our affiliate links, all that income, to pay for the shipping costs, the cost of every item in the box. You pay nothing additional. All you have to do is use our US affiliate link to order your device, put in your phone number, your email, or both to be notified on launch day and get those early order links as well to beat the rush for the Galaxy S25 launch. So this application, the Android System Key Verifier, it is already in the Play Store, and I'll put a link below as well. Mishal Rahman from Android Authority initially dug into this yesterday, and then we kind of posted a summary of his report for Galaxy users over on Sammy Guru. The Android System Key Verifier, I have early access here on multiple of my devices, and what this basically does is when you're chatting with someone and you add a new contact to your Google Contacts, so you may need to use Google Messages for this, but as I talked about in a previous video, Samsung is starting a big push towards everyone using Google Messages anyway on Samsung devices. But the way this works is to verify end-to-end encryption on apps you're using with your contact, scan each other's QR codes, and Android will verify all apps that can be verified. So this would be like your various chat apps. Perhaps you'd be able to use it with Telegram and WhatsApp, things like that as well. So you can see right here with Messages, it can be used. Obviously, Google Messages right now is the main one, the default one, and we don't know if it's going to expand to those other apps. I'm just speculating. Probably WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. could be possibilities. So you scan that QR code right there, and then it will verify that that person you're talking to is indeed the same person who originally scanned that QR code, which means if they change their device or something else weird changes about how they're connecting, it can alert you that perhaps that person is being impersonated, like a scammer or someone trying to catfish you, so that you would then know to take appropriate action or to be a little more skeptical. And you can see here is the confirmation page for this particular application. So this could solve a lot of problems. It's introduced with Android 15, the Contacts Keys feature that came to Android 15. So this could very well be in One UI 7.0. We don't know yet, but the One UI 7.0 beta should be out in the next few weeks. We can certainly dig in and see if this is present. Like I said, the way it works is it end-to-end encrypts your secure messages. When you add a new contact, it stores unique encryption keys for that contact on your phone. If someone changes their phone or device, the encryption keys won't match, and then you get an alert that you could be chatting with an imposter. But of course, you know, if someone just changes to a new phone, of course, they could give you a heads up, or you could ask and you could resolve that issue if it's someone that you know, like a family member or a friend. Additionally, Mishal dug into the APK file and found strings mentioning also compare app-specific numbers instead of scanning a QR code. This suggests that the QR codes could be accessed through the Google Contacts app by going to Contact Settings and opening the Your Info page. And this also makes it likely that we could see this expand to other applications like WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. It isn't live yet. It'll be rolled out soon on Android. And like I said, Galaxy phones will be included. And since mostly people in the US anyway, we're using Google Messages now on our Galaxy phones, you would have this extra layer of security. Now, while I don't necessarily know that this is super important maybe for us, maybe my demographic, enthusiast, younger people, but for older people in your life, your parents, your grandparents, who might be potential victims of a scam, of someone catfishing them, trying to get money out of them online, I think this is a hugely important step for Google to take. This, along with a lot of the device protection tools that they've added, remote lock, all that kind of stuff, theft detection, all those other ones I've mentioned. I'll link some of these others below that we talked about on the channel. Google is really taking huge steps with Android phones to make sure they're more secure and more private, and also easier to use for that older generation, so they don't have these kind of issues, as they are usually the ones that are targeted in these kinds of scams. Anyway, I wanted to highlight this because I found it very interesting. Let me know what you guys think about this feature. Check out sammyguru.com for all your Samsung Galaxy news, tips, tricks, tutorials. reviews, a lot more Z Fold Special Edition content, One UI 7 beta content coming later this month. Check out the Galaxy S25 Mystery Box program if you're here in the US and sign up. That's coming in 2 months. Super excited for S25 stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a ton for watching.